So you want to quit your job and take that leap of faith of owning your own business, but are you ready? Welcome and hello. I'm Erica Richey, and I'm here to help you grow your business by helping you understand your audience. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss an upload and all these free business tips that I have coming to help you grow. So let's get right on into it. So the first thing you have to do to answer that question of are you ready to be an entrepreneur is understanding your why. So why is understanding your why important? Because your why is what will keep you in the game for the long haul. Without your why, you'll be back to your 9-to-5 in no time. And having a 9-to-5 is not bad at all, trust me. But if you really want to become an entrepreneur, you have to know what you're doing it for and have that purpose and that foundation to keep you stable in it, because there's so many struggles that come with owning a business or a small business especially. And when you are thinking about becoming an entrepreneur, you have to dig deeper. Think deeper than the money, because right now the entrepreneur lifestyle is pictured as so glamorous, millions of dollars, nice home, this and that. And even with my entrepreneurs, that's also like my YouTubers and things like that. That's a form of being an entrepreneur. And it's just so lavish right now. It's so beautiful, but there's so many struggles that come with it. So we're going to think deeper than the money when it comes to understanding our why. Let's move on to the struggles of being an entrepreneur. And to keep on the same path, let's start talking about money. So on that topic of money, sometimes the money is just not there. One of the hardest things about being an entrepreneur or a small business owner is that you have to generate profit. And what do you need to have profit? You need customers. And you have to find ways to get your products and your services in front of people. And once you get your products and services in front of people, the struggle does not stop there. You have to figure out how to keep them wanting more, and most importantly, how to get them to spend with you. And this is exactly what we'll be learning about on this channel. So please hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on what's coming next. Plus, if you hit the like button on this video, it really truly does help me out. So thank you. Now, how do you get those clients? How do you get those people that are gonna come and generate you profit? By the obvious answer, marketing. That's the next biggest struggle that small business owners tend to deal with. Marketing can be very hard and very expensive. But now more than ever, there's so many tools that you can utilize for your business that are either free or cheap that will allow you to get your products in front of people. And I want to be one of those tools for you, which is why I want you to subscribe to this channel so you can continue learning how to get your business in front of people the positive way. And another struggle that a lot of people don't really talk about, when you're first becoming an entrepreneur, it's really hard to have time management and good communication skills. You might think that you're great right now, but it's on a whole different level when you're a business owner. And not only does your time management and your communication affect you, but it can hinder your relationship that you're building with your clients. So when you're thinking about wanting to own your own business, you have to ask yourself, am I ready to overcome these hurdles and these obstacles? Is it worth it to me? This could be a long and annoying process, and 9 times out of 10, it will be. And I might not see any payout for a while. Am I okay with that? And once you answer those questions, you might have a little bit more clarity. So now I'm giving you homework. Yes, it's homework time. The homework assignment for this video, I want you to think to yourself, am I ready to grow and learn and do what I need to do to become an entrepreneur? And if you are, and even if you're not, I want you to comment down your answer below under this video using the hashtag #eHomework. And my next video, it may help you out as well, because it's all about figuring out your business idea. So make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on this upload. It's coming this Friday. Thank you so much for watching my first video. There's so many more to come. And also, there's some free tips on my Instagram page at Erica Richey. So make sure you check that out as well. All right, thank you for watching.
Open up, you open that you want, baby, yeah, we should be closer than friends.